Let's learn about reptile animals. Crocodile. Crocodiles are the largest and the heaviest of present-day reptiles. All crocodiles have a relatively long snout, or muzzle, which varies considerably in shape and proportion. Turtle. Turtle are reptile with a body encased in a bony shell, including tortoises. The turtle's shell is an adaptation that protects it from predators, which compensates for the reptile's slow crawling speed. Python. Pythons have one more bone in their head than boas do and some additional teeth. And pythons are found in the Old World, Africa, Asia, Australia. But the biggest difference is that pythons lay eggs while boas give birth to live young. Iguana. The name iguana usually refers only to the members of the subfamily Iguanini. Food of the common iguana consists largely of leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits of fig trees, genus Ficus, although many other trees are also fed upon. Alligator. Alligators, like other crocodilians, are large animals with powerful tails that are used both in defense and in swimming. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are placed on top of their long head and project slightly above the water when the reptiles float at the surface, as they often do. Alligators can be differentiated from true crocodiles by the form of their jaw and teeth. Tortoise. Tortoises are exclusively terrestrial and occur on all continents except Australia and Antarctica. They also inhabit many islands, although numerous island populations and species are now extinct because of human occupation. Gecko. Geckos are mostly small, usually nocturnal reptiles with a soft skin. They also possess a short stout body, a large head, and typically well-developed limbs. The ends of each limb are often equipped with digits possessing adhesive pads. Cobra. Cobra, any of various species of highly venomous snakes, most of which expand the neck ribs to form a hood. While the hood is characteristic of cobras, not all of them are closely related. Cobras are found from southern Africa through southern Asia to islands of Southeast Asia. Chameleon. Characteristics of chameleons include zygodactylous feet, with toes fused into opposed bundles of 2 and 3, acrodont dentition, with the teeth attached to the edge of the jaw, eyes that move independently, atrophied venom glands that produce harmless trace amounts of venom, and a long, slender projectile tongue. Lizard. Lizards are scaly-skinned reptiles that are usually distinguished from snakes by the possession of legs, movable eyelids, and external ear openings. However, some traditional, that is, non-snake, lizards lack one or more of these features. Komodo dragon. Largest extant lizard species. The dragon is a monitor lizard of the family Varanidae. It occurs on Komodo Island and a few neighboring islands of the Lesser Sunda Islands of Indonesia. The popular interest in the lizard's large size and predatory habits has allowed this endangered species to become an ecotourist attraction, which has encouraged its protection.